Hi, my name is Arik Das. Presently, I am a student of IIM Kozhikode. Just completed my first year of 2 years MBA program. I did not have any prior work experience before coming to IIM Kozhikode. I have graduated from Jadavpur University in Kolkata in engineering in 2010, receiving 81% marks. My major in undergraduation was information technology. I did my schooling from a residential school in Kolkata. I studied from class 5 to 10 in Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya, Narendrapur, and class 11-12 in Ramakrishna Mission Residential College, Narendrapur. I got 92% in my 10th board exam and 86% in 12th board exam. I have been receiving National Talent Search Examination Scholarship since class 10. I co-authored a paper on computer networks in 2010, which was published in World Congress of Engineering in London. Apart from studying, I also write poems, short stories in Bengali, do painting and designing, recitation, and own prizes in school and university level. I played chess and table tennis and represented my university in inter-university competitions. I, along with my other batchmates, organized annual cultural programs in my college. I was school captain in my school. My hobby was coin collection, and I have been collecting coins since my childhood. When I visited livebushido.com for the first time, the first two sentences attracted me most, and till now, I have found this as the most interesting thing about Live Bushido. The sentences are: Live Bushido is building a global network of people working part time from home with flexible hours using their unique talents. Live Bushido creates business, creative, and social entrepreneurial ventures to help everyone focus on their unique talents. It creates a network of people with unique talents and social entrepreneurial streak so that they can interactive among themselves to make their business more polished. It will thus help the society in turn. A small step can be gigantic in future. I think Live Bushido has done this as the first mover in the world. Coming to virtual internship program, the most interesting thing I have found in this program is something I was looking for many days. It gives the MBA students like me who want to be entrepreneur in future an opportunity to make a big brand under guidance of industry experts and have a real experience before. Thanks.